Brad Hall here, and I've got a great show for you today. I've got the off-white Nike Air Force 1 MCA edition. It's a really nice looking shoe. It's also a shoe that resells for an incredible amount of money. So that's what I'm going to be talking about today. The 5 most expensive shoes that I own. So stay tuned. It's going to be really good. I never thought I'd be holding this shoe in hand like I am right now, but a couple weeks ago, these popped up on that SNKRS Stash. I saw the tweets flying out about them. One of the luckiest pickups I've had. Just gonna take you through some of those notable details really quickly. You've got that cool type on the side, the swoosh, kind of a crinkled metallic look. The hang tag is back. You've got some more exposed foam. And then of course, it is just covered in this rich kind of baby blue. Now another thing that is significant about it, I have mentioned it already, they are reselling for a lot of money. My size, it's around the $2,000 mark. Enough money to put it on my list. At number 4, another off-white shoe, the Michael Air Jordan 1 Chicago colorway. I've talked about this shoe before. To me, not only is this shoe a collector's item, it is a piece of art. This one is going for about $3,000-ish to almost $4,000. So a hefty price tag. Almost makes me nervous just holding this with my bare hands. At number 3, the Yeezy 700 Wave Runner that I painted and sold on my store. Now this was a little bit trickier to figure out the pricing on. The best comparison I could think of, other pieces of art, since I did paint this, I went on a site that auctions off pretty good pieces of art. Based on that, I would say this could range from anywhere from $7,000 to $45,000. At number 2, an authentic pair of Michael Air Jordan Flu Game shoes, game worn by Brad Hall. This is the exact same pair that I wore to play youth basketball, so it's a real collector's item. To price this one, I did some research. The Michael Jordan pair that he wore, that went for over $100,000. I would say this pair, you could price it safely for not quite that much because it is missing a lace tip, so that's my number 2. At number 1, I think you know what you're looking at right here. This is, well, it is a pretty special shoe. This is the shoe that I used for my very first YouTube video, a real piece of history. Now, it is so hard to put a price on a special item like this, something that maybe will go into a museum one day, but I did some research and I think a pretty good comparison would be the guitar John Lennon used to write and record those early Beatles hits. That went for $2.4 million at auction. I think that is a good baseline when thinking about the value of this. Those were the 5 most expensive shoes that I own for a total price that comes out to about that. A really impressive collection. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. I'll be back again.